Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Ovintiv's latest 8K filing, and let's just say there's more than meets the eye in this report. It's like finding out your responsible neighbor moonlights as a rock star. We are going to uncover what this means for the company and its future. First off, this report is dated February 26, 2025. This is important because it tells us when the events being discussed actually happened, giving us a timeline to follow. Think of it like the when in our corporate detective story. This date tells us these events are recent and are probably still affecting the company's position and valuation. Now let's jump into the meat of the report, the financial results. Under item 2.02, Ovintiv released a news report sharing how they did in the last quarter of 2024 and for the entire year. They've also included extra financial details to give a clearer picture. Essentially, they're opening up their books for us to peek inside. These financial results can be found in Exhibit 99.1 and 99.2. These exhibits are really the supporting evidence for the report, kind of like the appendices in a textbook. They contain the raw numbers and data that back up the claims made in the report. There's a disclaimer here that's pretty standard. It basically says that the information in this report isn't automatically included in other official filings unless specifically mentioned. It's like saying this information is for now, don't assume it applies to everything else we've ever said. Moving on to item 8.01, we find out about another important decision: dividends. Ovintiv's board has decided to pay out $0.30 per share to stockholders. Dividends are those regular payments companies make to their shareholders. Think of it like a thank you for investing in the company, a share of the profits. This dividend will be paid out on March 31, 2025, to those who own the stock by March 14, 2025. The date of record matters because you have to own the stock before that date to get the payout. It's like having a coupon. If you don't have it by the expiration date, you don't get the discount. Item 9.01 lists all the exhibits attached to the report, and again, those are the press release about the earnings and the supplemental financial info. These exhibits give more specific details and context about Ovintiv's operations. Now let's talk big picture. I can't tell you the specific financial numbers because I can't see them, but if Ovintiv's earnings are up and they're issuing dividends, those are generally good signs. It suggests the company is profitable and confident in its future. Remember, the company operates in the energy sector, which is very sensitive to commodity prices. Ovintiv's strengths seem to lie in its ability to generate profits. It has also maintained a shareholder-friendly approach with its dividend payouts. A weakness could be the company's reliance on commodity prices. A sharp drop in oil or gas prices could hurt their earnings, as these are the products that the company produces and sells. One notable risk is the volatility of the energy market. Political instability, changes in demand, and even weather patterns can affect prices. One big opportunity for Ovintiv could be the increasing global demand for energy. If they can efficiently and responsibly increase production, they could capitalize on this trend. In conclusion, Ovintiv appears to be making strides, but like any energy company, it faces some big risks. Overall, Ovintiv's financials indicate they're steering the ship in a promising direction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Let me know in the comments which company you'd like me to decode next.